Hello everyone. I hope that everybody is healthy and safe. In this video, I want to talk about your LAB1, the file that it was shared on Blackboard. I have changed a few things in about that file, and I want to share it with you. So the first thing is that the file that we had before was like this. And to be honest with you, it was a little bit confusing, and I can tell you this because I received some emails from the students, for example, asking me about this isometric logo cube or a few other things that we have here. So to solve the problem, to resolve the problem, what I did, I changed a few things about LAB1, and you can find everything from Blackboard. So if you go to assignment section of your Blackboard, you will see that now you have two portions for Lab 1. We have this and we have this one. So let's have a look at the first one. Instead of the old PDF file that you just saw, I have uploaded a new PDF file, and I tried to be more clear in this new file. So this is the question. This is the learning outcome of the Lab 1 project that we're working on. This is project description. So this is the scenario that we have. You're working for a company in California, and they assigned you a project, and you're working on your project. What is the project? You're supposed to draw something similar to this. And this is the instruction. And as you know, the video files are available and you can watch them through SharePoint. So the PDF file that you just download, or you just open it up with your browser, if you click on instruction videos, it's going to take you to SharePoint. Okay, so you need to log in using your Seneca email address and password, and you're going to have it. So you're going to watch the videos. After finishing the videos, you're going to make a DWG file, AutoCAD file. So this is going to be the new name for your AutoCAD file. So the new name is like this: CAD290, which is this course, dash section. Your section is either NAA, NBB, NCC, or something like that. So you put the section, dash lab1, dash your name. For example, here, I just made it for myself. This section is NAA, lab1, Ryan NIKAEEN. Another important thing that I would like to draw your attention to is that do not print any files, and do not email me any files. So what you need to do, you need to just upload your file. I know that in the old version they said that you have to plot your drawing, but we don't have access to the plot room. Because of that, we don't plot the drawings this semester. And do not email it to me, because the best way to share your files with me is through Blackboard. This way it's going to stay there forever. So how to do that? You just simply come here to assignment section, click on CAD290 Lab 1, and you upload your file here. And your file must be a DWG file. Be careful, because AutoCAD sometimes creates other files too, like BAK. So just make sure that you're sending me the DWG file, and make sure that the file name is as per as the standard that I'm showing you here. Okay. Another thing is due date. Just make sure that you're following the due date. The due date is mentioned here, is Monday, June the 8th, and time is 8 p.m. And for this one, we have two sections. We have this one, which is AutoCAD file, And we have another one, which is just before we called it reflection sheet. Here I changed the name to feedback. So I expect your feedback. I'm going to talk about that one in a few seconds. One more thing which is very, very important, not only for this course, for any other courses, guys. When you make AutoCAD files or any digital file, make sure that you do not share your file with other people or do not use other people's files for even for a startup, because the property of each file is very, very unique. And from my side, I can see that who has worked on this file and what time and what that person has done. So this is going to create some problems down the road. Just please do not share any file with your friends, but feel free to help them, to teach them, to show them how the commands work, how to complete the project, because we are all here just to learn. This is a sample of the drawing. As I talked about this one before, this doesn't mean that your work must be exactly the same as this one. If you follow Tim's videos, you will see that, for example, this door is not here. He moves the door to the left. So just make sure that you are okay and you learn. This is what we want to see from you. We want to make sure that you know how to draw a drawing using AutoCAD. So after finishing, this is evaluation. So that 7 marks for AutoCAD file is going to be based on these criteria. We have 10 of them. So I'm going to check your drawing scale. I'm going to change your line type. I'm going to change the layers, dimensions, and you can see all of them here. Okay. The next thing here is feedback. There are 3 questions. Before we had these 3 questions as a reflection sheet. So it's here. I can show you. Before we had it like this. And you had to fill up this sheet and answer 3 questions here. What I did, I changed a few things here. Also the marks. Because before this reflection sheet had 5 marks and that AutoCAD file has 5 marks too. I found it more fair to put 7 marks for this one and 3 marks for those questions. So to answer those questions again, you go to assignment section of your course and you have LAB1, which is the DWG file. You just upload the DWG file here. And this is the feedback questions. So you come here and you start the question, start the test. It's similar to a test. And you just type in your answer to this question, and this question. And you receive 3 marks, 1, 1, 1. And for the other one, the mark was 7. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and hopefully this one makes everything clear. And sorry for any confusion that we caused before, and hopefully this one is more clear to you. Please feel free to get back to me if you feel that you have any questions regarding LAB1 or any parts of the course. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.